Hello, how are you? Great. I am little I, and today you're going to practice how to write me. But before, let's see. I am I for iguana. Great. Now, let's see if you can write me. First of all, you need to grab your pencil and you go to the dot, you trace down. Fine, that's all. You go to the next, trace down, finish. That's the capital I. Go back to the top line and trace down to the bottom line. Good. Top line, down to the bottom line. Good. Next, top line and down to the bottom line. Very good. Now you know how to trace me. So I see you again next time. Bye bye.